guys, so in today's video we are celebrating the launch of Melanin Haircare's newest product. Melanin Haircare is my natural hair care product line that we launched officially in 2018, but it has been in the works since 2015. So we just launched our brand new product to complete our signature collection for like the basics, and it is our African black soap reviving shampoo with revitalizing tea tree, soothing turmeric, and black cumin seed. So as with all of our other hair products, this is based off of my DIY black soap shampoo that a lot of you guys have tried and really love, and of course we were going to recreate that for you guys, but in true Melanin hair care fashion, enhance it with more ingredients, more beneficial nutrients, and making it shelf stable. So this is our gorgeous formula here. It comes in a 16-ounce bottle. As always, we're giving you tons of product here. For those of you who don't really pay too much attention to ounce sizes, most high quality shampoos come in smaller ounce sizes just because they are more expensive to make. Usually maybe like an 8-ounce bottle, maybe a 10-ounce. If you see, I kind of shook it up a little bit and I just did it again. What did I do? Once it settles, you'll see that my product is like down to here. Literally, this product is so condensed and a little bit goes such a long way, and it retails for $19.89. If this were like a normal 8-ounce situation, that would be $10, which is, I think, is a really great deal. We're always trying to give you guys the best value that we possibly can at the highest quality that we possibly can. As with all of our products, there's no sulfates, no silicones, no phthalates, no formaldehyde, no mineral oils, no parabens, and our ingredients are all natural with safe non-toxics. So it's great for the whole family, as with everything else in our line. We will mention that this is not a tear-free formula. So if your child needs a tear-free formula, maybe you don't reach for this one, but you can because it's all natural. I use it on Olivia and Theodore, who are 7 and 3. It is squeezable, so all you would need to do is open our little top here, and we have a beautiful, practical applicator top. I don't know about you, but I have type 4 hair, and it's just really hard sometimes when I'm putting the shampoo on and just to like get the shampoo from the palm of my hand into my scalp. It's like always a process where I have to like do a layer and then do another layer, and like finally eventually it'll get to my scalp. Well, we're going to skip all that. We've got a perfect little applicator here, and it squeezes the product right onto your scalp where you want it to go. I don't want it coming out right now, but you just squeeze that on. Takes maybe, like for me, I take about 4 or 5 squeezes all around, and you can like go from the bottom, and then all you have to do is just rub it, and you're gonna feel the instant luxurious lather, and it feels so good. It gets right where you need it immediately. You guys know that I love putting my DIY shampoo in applicator bottles, so I'm glad that most of you, when you saw the little teaser, knew what it was. You knew what we were doing, okay? It's just really helpful to get it in there. You don't have to waste product. You end up using so much less product, and that just saves you so much money overall. Again, our product line isn't only focused on having high quality, amazing products, but we are seriously focused on how can we save you guys money, because natural hair products should be accessible to everybody, and good, safe natural hair products should be accessible to everybody. So this is one way that we're able to save you even more money. Even though formula is already very dense and you only have to use a little bit, the addition of our applicator tip takes that up a notch, and you can even use less. So as always, I'm obsessed with ingredients. I want the nutrients, I want the minerals. It has got to do something for me besides just like be a shampoo. So I'm really proud of our formulation. Just to tell a few of its more unique ingredients to an African black soap, it has peppermint, provitamin B5, lavender, tea tree, rosemary, argan, black cumin seed, turmeric, and charcoal powder, along with, of course, cocoa seed butter and shea butter. So we really want to make sure that this gave you all the benefits of African black soap shampoo and then some. So it's got ingredients in there that are going to moisturize your hair so that it doesn't feel dry or brittle. It's got soothing ingredients to repair your scalp, repair your hair, relieve any uncomfortable scalp conditions, and just make it a really healthy hair environment for your hair to grow in long and strong and like the best that you possibly can. It is a clarifying shampoo, so if you are using other products with butters and oils like what are in our line, this is great for that because it will clear that all away and get you starting nice and fresh. However, it does not leave your hair dry or brittle like a normal African black soap shampoo would. The addition of all of our moisturizing ingredients and butters and extracts really help to maintain your natural oil so that when you rinse it out, you will feel that your hair is clean, but it's not going to feel dry or in any way damaged. It's going to look hydrated, it's going to be shiny, and it's going to look clumped, because another great feature of the African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo is that it helps to clump your curls, and it's shiny, and it does that all without silicones, without things that coat your hair or that might suffocate your hair, or things that make it look like it's healthier than it actually is. I wouldn't say it's detangling. You're not going to want to take a tool to it. However, when the lather is in your hair, you are going to notice that you can use your fingers to finger detangle and get in there and smooth any tangles out, remove any shed hair. You're just not going to want to go in there with a tool. So it does have detangling properties, but I wouldn't call it a detangling shampoo. I really do love the fact that you're able to smooth your hair out, because I don't know about you, but when I'm like massaging my hair, I'm really getting in there, and I really want to make sure that all the butters and oils and everything are off my scalp. And so I'm really going in there. I try to be as careful as I possibly can, but it can cause tangling and all that kind of stuff. So it's really nice that the shampoo also allows you to smooth the hair back down. You can, again, put your fingers through the hair to kind of fix it and smooth it back out before you rinse the lather off. Once you rinse the lather off, that's it. It's clean. It's staying there until you get your moisturizing conditioner to follow. If you thought that the multi-use softening leave-in conditioner worked well before, you haven't seen anything yet. This was made for this product. The African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo was made to go perfectly with our multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. And you will notice using these together, they are a match made in heaven. They are soulmates. They are twin flames that have found each other and are now soulmates. The African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo creates the perfect clean base for your hair to drink up all the multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. When the lather is on, you're going to want to smooth it down, smooth it down, smooth it down, and then rinse it off. You're going to look at your hair. Your hair is going to be shiny. It's going to be supple, hydrated. It's going to be clumped. If you have a curl pattern, you're going to see your curl pattern come out. It's beautiful. Then you immediately put on your multi-use softening leave-in conditioner, and you just feel it condition, like it just soaks that all up. So for the few who didn't like the multi-use softening leave-in conditioner, I'm wondering if it has anything to do with your shampoo, because before we launched the shampoo, I was working off of, my samples that I had, and sometimes I would run out, and so I would have to reach for something else. And I noticed that the multi-use softening leave-in conditioner did work differently when I used a different shampoo, maybe a shampoo that wasn't all natural, maybe it had a silicone or something on it that was stopping the shampoo from really being able to penetrate into your hair and condition and have that moisturizing feel. I'm not just saying that to sell my African Black Soap Reviving shampoos, I promise you, it did. And so I'm really excited to finally launch this because they pair really well together. Your hair is completely cleansed of everything and nothing is deposited back onto it. So once you use the multi-use softening leave-in conditioner, your hair is really able to soak all that up. So when you use these together, you are really going to experience what this conditioner can do. It's amazing. You're just going to see the curls pop. You're gonna feel the condition and the moisturizing. It is luxury, baby. It's so good. Okay, it's so good. These two together are the perfect starter for your style. So I did see a couple of questions floating around social media on different platforms that I want to answer. So the first question was, is your African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo clarifying or moisturizing? So it contains moisturizing ingredients such as the shea butter and the cocoa butter and the argan oil and the provitamin B5, but it is a clarifying shampoo, as are all African Black Soap shampoos. We are really able to strike a beautiful balance though with our African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo, in that it doesn't leave your hair feeling brittle or dry or damaged. When you rinse it out, you'll see that it's hydrated still, it's clumped, it looks healthy. All you need to do is follow it up with your conditioner. It doesn't leave a waxy type of feel that some African Black soaps can have. There's no dryness. It's just a really great clarifying shampoo that has moisturizing ingredients so that your hair is not completely stripped of all of your natural oils. And some are asking, is this really an African Black Soap shampoo? I don't see black black soap in the ingredients. We are legally not able to just put black soap in the ingredients. I don't know how some companies get away with that, but you have to list out every single ingredient that's in your product. Black soap is not an ingredient, it's a mixture of different ingredients that make black soap. So you can't just put black soap on the ingredients, you have to list out all the different ingredients of your black soap. And not all African black soap shampoos are made the same. They're all made differently. Some have more ingredients, some have less. So you can't just place African black soap in the ingredients and have that be legal, because it just doesn't give any information about what is making up that black soap. Our African black soap shampoo is a real black soap shampoo. It's made from scratch and it's sourced specifically from Ghana. Okay, so I think that's everything. This was just really the introduction to our new Melanin Haircare African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. I'm so excited. The entire signature collection is complete, at least the basics. Don't worry, I just need water. Let me get some water actually, oh my god. Ciao! I'm gonna do a follow-up video of my entire wash day routine, because what you're seeing in these clips is not how I actually wash my hair. I just wanted to be able to show you guys what the lather looks like, and I know a lot of people wash their hair that way, so I was just kind of making it relatable for many of you, but I do wash my hair in sections. So I will follow up and show you how I use this product. Help me. So annoying. So I'll follow up and show you an actual wash day, how I use our new African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo along with all of our other products for a complete Melanin Hair Care wash day. Look out for that soon. Thank you guys so much for your support on our new launch. I'm so excited. We didn't have to do a pre-order this time. We just put it out there for you guys and you were able to get it quickly. We are still shipping out pre-orders. I don't know by the time if this goes up if we'll be done. Anybody who received an order number, just patient with us. We are a small team shipping out thousands of orders. You will get it, I promise you. And any of our Melanin Bays will tell you that our shipping is super fast, so once you get your shipping confirmed, you usually get it within a couple of days. It's officially 7 to 14 days, but it's always faster. I'm so excited for you guys to try your new shampoo and add it to the collection. I'm just really proud of all of our products, and this one is no exception. So I think that you guys will hopefully love it as much as I do. Obviously, I'm not putting anything out there that I don't love. And fun fact, we have been working on our African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo for just as long as we've been working on all of our other products. So the Twist Elongating Style Cream and the Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend were our first products that we released. It was a 6-year trajectory for these two. Well, add 2 more to that, 8 years to get this guy right. And with multiple crew working on it until we perfected it. So I really, truly, when I say that I love this and that it's better than anything I've tried, please believe me when I say that. It's amazing. But you know, everyone's different. I hope that you love it just as much as I do. I'm only trying to give you guys my best. Give it a try. I am looking forward to seeing your reviews and your comments on this, and thank you guys again for all of your support for Melanin Hair Care. Everything that has been happening with the company is just really amazing, and you know, my sister and I every day we're just like, are you kidding me? Like, what is this? Like, it's crazy. It's a lot of work, but it's all worth it. We just love seeing you guys appreciate the fruits of our labor. Thank you guys so much to all the Melanin Bay. We love you. To all those who are not Melanin Bay yet, come on, join the fam. All you have to do is like us on social media. Our tags are Melanin Hair Care and you will be a Melanin Bay. So thank you guys again. We appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one.